Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with a easy and delicious recipe. This is a grilled stuffed mushroom. It's very easy to make. All the ingredient list is given into the description box. You can check it. It's a very minimum ingredient required. So let's start the recipe. For this, first we need a button mushroom. I took 1 packet of button mushroom, thoroughly cleaned, and stalk is removed. If you want, you can use the stalk into the filling, but in this recipe I have not used. First, I will marinate the mushroom. For this, we require the hung curd. Half cup of hung curd with the ginger garlic paste. I use the spice mix of Italian seasoning, black pepper and Himalayan salt. And some for thickening agent, I use the roasted chana powder. You can use the refined flour, corn flour or gram flour, whatever available with you. So these are the these are the ingredients for the marination. First, in the thick yogurt, we will mix all this ingredient. If you want, you can add the other ingredients also. You can use the thick seasoning, whatever seasoning is available with you. It's up to you. But I use, because I'm this Italian seasoning, because I'm using the cheese in the stuffing. So I just wanted to make the taste according to spices taste according to the this stuffing also. So first marinate the mushroom and just keep it into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Till the time you can prepare your stuffing. This is the mushroom after the marination. For the stuffing, I have used mozzarella cheese, cottage cheese, coriander leaves, some olives and jalapenos, 1 onion and some lemon juice. So first we will chop all the ingredients into the fine thing. This is a black pepper and the Himalayan salt. You can use the simple salt. It's a chili garlic sauce. First we will grate both the paneer if it is not grated, and then finally chop all other ingredients and mix everything together to make the stuffing, and season with this black pepper and salt and lemon juice. I added the chili garlic sauce also, because at my home everybody likes that little bit spicy food. So now this our stuffing is ready. Now to stuff the mushroom, we need to press this stuffing inside the mushroom to get the more stuffing. It should not be less. So try to stuff properly. Now the stuffing is ready. Now we will stuff one by one all the mushroom and we will keep it. These preparation can be ahead of time. Whenever you want to make, you can till this step you can make it into the advance and just grill whenever you want to eat or you want to serve to your guests. You can see how much stuffing I am adding into the mushroom. I am trying to make as much as is possible. So later on the top you can add little more also. If you want, you can on the top you can some grated mozzarella cheese you can add on the end also. But this is enough. Now this is ready for the grilling. First preheat your oven and just grill it for the 10 minutes. You can air fry also it. I have tried both the way and it's come out very nice. You can see these are the mushrooms ready to serve. You can have it as a wholesome meal also. It's a very protein rich, healthy starter which is delicious also. Hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please subscribe, share and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the new videos. Thank you so much for watching.